आज हम आए हैं कैन हिल कम्युनिटी के इवेंट में, जहां पर कैंसर हीरोज़ को सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है। आज हम मिलेंगे कुछ ऐसे ही वॉरियर्स से जिन्होंने इस बीमारी को हराकर कैंसर पर जीत हासिल की है। चलिए उनसे मिलते हैं।
Hi, I'm Anchal Sharma and I'm a third stage breast cancer survivor. In 2017, when I was diagnosed with the advanced stage breast cancer, that was a turning point for me when we think of starting a Can Heal community. So the Can Heal community हम लोगों ने शुरू करा है, एक ही पर्पज़ है that we create a safe space for all the cancer survivors. It's not a female oriented community first of all. We welcome all the cancer patients, cancer survivors, caregivers and creating a safe space for them. And our aim is to build up this community where people come and inspired by each other's journey and not being judged.
मेरे को जुलाई 2022 में आई वाज डायग्नोस्ड विद ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, स्टेज 3 ब्रेस्ट कैंसर एंड मैं एक सिंपल चेकअप के लिए गई थी एंड बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा टेंडरनेस फील हो रहा था एंड वहाँ पर मेरे को कुछ टेस्ट बोले गए एंड ऑल दैट. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई केम बैक विद अ पॉजिटिव स्टेज 3 कैंसर जिसमें मेरा HER2 पॉजिटिव था. And of course the news was really shocking and devastating, but still I was strong enough. मेरे को लगा कि जो चीज़ आ गया है तो we have to surrender and हमको of course इस चीज़ से बाहर निकलना है.
Last year I had something I felt in December, something was there. My son was going abroad and he said you go and get it checked. Before that I already had my mammogram, but nothing came out in that. But I again went in April. In April, I told doctor to please check because I'm feeling something. And doctor said, no, it's fine, go back. Then again I came back. No, please do it. Then they did it. And then they declared immediately that it's a cancer. So the journey was very, very, very difficult.
I have been living for last more than 27 years now after my treatment. And I'm very happy, fit and healthy so far, And as far as my journey goes, I had a time I was 50 years old, almost nearing 50 when I discovered I had breast cancer. Though I knew it 3 years before also perhaps I had, but at that point of time I thought cancer means death. So why bother my family with this bad news? So I kept it to myself for 3 years. So in 97, when my lump became a little too big, I got a little scared. Then I had to tell my husband and I was taken to the hospital and the doctor said now it might have spread all over because it is now almost 3 years that she has not told anyone. And then started the screening and everything. So the doctor said after all these things that if she doesn't get treated, she wouldn't live for more than 1 year. And even if she goes through the treatment, her life may be extended up to maybe 3 to 4 years, not more than that. I told my husband, what is the point? Whether I live for 1 year or 4 years wouldn't make any difference. But then my family forced me to go through the treatment. And look here, and now my treatment was over in 98. So now it is more than 27 years and I'm fit and healthy. And after my operation, the doctor was surprised and he said it is a miracle. It didn't spread anywhere, it was only localized.
That one should always love themselves and early detection is always curable. So आपको जरा सा भी कहीं पर भी आपको लगता है कि कुछ भी डिस्कम्फर्ट है, कुछ भी है, so please go to a doctor, get yourself checked and love yourself.
I want to tell everybody that please be cautious. Every woman in every age, I will not say plus 30. I've seen girls of 20s that check every month, first week of every month. If you have any lump, don't wait, just go. It is because of my awareness that it was not even first stage that I was detected and I was treated. But journey is really very difficult and I want such programs to happen more because it's my first one and I'm feeling better because no matter family is there or friends are there, nobody will be around with you, with the pain. Only the people who have gone through this stage can understand what I am struggling every day.
मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी कम्युनिटी जो है कैन हील, जिसके साथ मैं एज एन एडवाइज़र एसोसिएटेड हूँ, उसकी बहुत ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि एक सपोर्ट नेटवर्क जो इससे मिलता है, चाहे पेशेंट्स हों, चाहे सर्वाइवर्स हों, चाहे केयर गिवर्स हों, और एक दूसरे के साथ जो एक बॉन्ड करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, वो आइडिया है इस कम्युनिटी का। और अभी तो हमने शुरू ही की है, कुछ मीटअप्स हुए हैं हमारे, अभी हम लोग बड़े शहरों में हैं, लेकिन आइडिया इसका यही है कि इसको छोटे से छोटे शहर लेके जाएं, क्योंकि असली रिक्वायरमेंट तो वहाँ पे है।
Only My Health actually is great platform to promote communities like this, and I think this is the right platform to talk about also. Without saying much, I can say we need your support. People like us need your support to send a bigger message in society. So thank you so much.
आई थिंक आज जैसे ओनली माई हेल्थ और कैन हील मिलकर अवेयरनेस पहुंचा रहा है, उसी से इंस्पायर होकर बाकी भी कम्युनिटीज़ को लोगों के लिए अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स करने चाहिए, कैंपेन्स करने चाहिए। जैसे आई एम 16 years old एंड मेरे जनरेशन के आजकल सब सोशल मीडिया पर हैं, वी आर सो वेल कनेक्टेड, बट आई थिंक इफ़ यू लर्न हाउ टू यूज़ सोशल मीडिया, हाउ टू कनेक्ट विद डिफरेंट पीपल, देन ओनली इट ऑल मेक सेंस। हमें ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से ऑब्वियसली मोटिवेट होना चाहिए, इनके साथ हम जितना जुड़ सकते हैं। कैन हील में आंचल मैम ने मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि मैं उनके साथ जुड़ूँ, तो वैसे ही आई थिंक जैसे युद्ध भी और इन्वॉल्व होने शुरू होंगे, वैसे ही हमारी कम्युनिटी भी और प्रोग्रेस होती रहेगी एंड एक साथ मिल जाएगी।